Oh my god, I've been like talking the whole time. My bad guys, I forgot to turn on mic. Why didn't tell me? So, hello everyone, again, hello. So, as I've been saying all this time when I was muted, that BTC in consolidation right now, and it's like slowly going down, respecting this like trend line, and I hope it will get slowly will keep pushing down like this, and then we'll pump. because we will build this liquidity here, and money from BTC will move slowly to alts. So this is like my expectation about BTC. Some coins can just like ignore Bitcoin, such as like XRP, because it's like play out like however it wants, so it doesn't give a fuck in general about BTC. What you can do, because there's huge shakeouts, nothing like this ever happened, or like too often happened in like previous bull run. So if you look at charts on previous bull run, it usually been like 2-3 shakeouts in like few months. Right now cryptocurrency going like up and down like crazy, so it's almost impossible to trade it as always. Like best example, it was here, or NTRN. Yeah, so we've been opening like long position right here, if you remember. As you can see, it's actually clean like breakout with a volume, so no volume here, clean breakout with a volume, and then we're going down, like testing this fair value gap on like for 1 hour time frame. So we had a clean breakout in a discount market, so we really tested discount market, and then we had a breakout, but it was like completely ignored this breakout, and then it went down to test the fair value gap, and then went up. As you can understand, like my stop was right here, so I got stopped, and then this motherfucker pumped almost like 100%, not almost 100%, which is like fucking unbelievable, and 100% within like 3.5 days. So my point is, right now, like for crypto, what you can do, just like buy spot, for example. By the way, like I hope music is not too loud. I hope so not. I'll turn it off. So right now, like for cryptocurrency, I highly recommend you to start trading on like 4 hours. So as you can see on 4 hour, if we would wait like for clean breakouts such like this, and also gave like test on like 4 hours here. If you're talking about this one, it's a really good test, and we can also check discount zone here, exactly been testing like discount. So we could have like set some like limit order, like 1% risk in the discount market, and then it would have been pumped, right? So it's kind of clean when we look at high time frames. But if you look at like a low time frame, such as like 1 hour, like 15 minutes, or like lower, it's extremely dirty, and you cannot like predict like market movements at all. So the best one is like 4 hours and daily. I want to show you like one strategy. I also recorded a video how to do it exactly, with all this kind of like criteria that you have to follow. You can like screenshot it if you want to. Tador, I'm sorry, like Theodore just decided to just say hello on the stream. So yeah, you have like this criteria that you have to follow. Sometimes like you don't follow ATR, gross waves, like you can probably ignore it, or just maybe if it's like 15% or like 120%, it's not a big deal. But like rest of it, especially like daily volume and good price action. For example, here, as you can see, it calls like normal reaction. We slowly going down, we're slowly going down, and we've been consolidating and in the discount market for like quite some time, right? So it's like 0.5%, so discount market, like equilibrium, and market maker just building a position like right here in the zone. Also we tested like previous daily low. We'll see, maybe like if we nuke, like even go lower, I will be buying here and we will keep going higher. I'm okay with this. Another example that I don't recommend you to do, like, yes, for example, when you see like this price action, this one, you don't want to like enter, because you see how aggressively we went down. It's like super aggressively, and probably we won't see the same price on this high for quite some time. So you have to understand like what instrument you want to work, what instrument is following or follows your criteria. And we've been testing that like for like few weeks, like all this like criteria. Like it's not just we got like this like out of a thin air. No, it's been tested like many times, and then we like added it. So yeah, just don't forget, like you can join like our like trading group, and we have like some like trading chats. We're sharing our calls here. We have like spot calls and long-term like investments. Last on our investment on a coin, by the way, it's like a share, it's of Coinbase. We made over like 55%. We got like 55% like pump on this one. It went basically like Apple went up only like 30% or so. So it was like kind of like good play. So yeah, this is like basically that's all. I will like record a video how to do it exactly, but long story short, you just like using Fibonacci retracement, like from higher high to like higher low, which is like from here. You identify it like better identify it like in 4 hours. You see, clean move, right? Clean move upwards, and we're slowly going down. And you usually use Fibonacci and start like building your position in like 0.6018 or 0.5 zone, and you build it again and you add in again. So 50% will be added at your insurance basically. It's really will be activated, but in general you're building it, and your average entry with all this kind of stuff will be around like this area, which is like quite good, and you can get like really nice gains, and you won't miss like a lot of like action, right? Because you can just open like position like randomly. This tactic also like works like in the gold or like any like trend market. Like crypto basically it's like trend market. It's like arranging like focus for like 1 year or so during a bear market, and then it's going like only like up or down basically. So it's consolidating in bull market sometimes before we're going down, or this is how BTC did it, right? If you open like some chart on BTC, is what happened last bull market. I just look at this. We've been consolidating for quite some time. For example, this one for like 3 months. Here for like a month. We've been consolidating for months. Here we've been consolidating for like triple top test 80 days, right? So the same here, as you can see, like range move, range move, range move. But when it's like bull market, when it's like range and change, especially on alts, you see, you won't be able to catch this pumps. But what you can do, you can catch drops with this like strategy. Okay, so now we're gonna go to currencies. especially we're going to DXI. After that, we're going to have a look on Euro and British pounds. So on DXI, as you can see, we didn't take this equal loss. We just touched this this low. We activate like this one. I also have a video about it, and I have also analysis, fundamental analysis on a Euro, on DXI. Where is it? Yeah, this one. It's been last day of November, and I said it's gonna be like testing like this area, and then I'm gonna test like this low. And also I made a video about it, and as you can see, in December we already tested this external liquidity. This we took like this high, and then next target this equal lows. We still have it, so we have equal lows now, like this. Equal lows, right? Yeah, so we have like equal lows. This is like our next target, and after some like correction here, and I will show you Euro soon. So we probably will see something like this, and then we will go down. If like we break and it will be like full fill of this fair value gap, this one. If we will go like higher like this, then next target will be this fair value gap, and after this we will go lower. But yeah, so I expect target this equal lows, this one. If we invalidate this like fair value gap, we will keep going higher. If not, okay. I want to see like some reverse. I also sent analysis on the Euro. This is like from Pavel from DPS. This is basically what we expect. As you can see, like on 1 hour, we have this like fair value gap, so it's just exactly the same area that I expect DXI to turn around, and you can also see here that's gonna be like testing of this fair value gap, and also this is 0.79 zone, exactly the zone that you need to test. You need to test, right? This is usually where price like turn around, like 0.7, 0.79 for Forex and stock market. This is like 50 minutes, exactly the same, and 5 minutes we start like building liquidity. So we have like first test, we need like 2 more tests. So more likely we will have some manipulation here to take like this liquidity, internal liquidity. Maybe we'll have like some like pump, and then keep going like lower. This is Euro. Basically on British pound we have the same picture. We didn't take like this high, this specific high, and after like some like rebalance, I expect price to pump and then go lower. This is my expectation. If we fail like this level, we'll keep going lower. So it's gonna be like this, because right now it's just like normal reaction to test this fair value gap. Exactly the same picture we can see on the Euro, exactly the same. So if we fail this level, for example, go like lower like this, I will be expecting some short positions after pump back, and we will keep going lower. Because right now we in the middle of the move, so you can't like tell like for sure like where we're going. It can just go straight up. Is it possible? Yeah, of course it's possible. It's also will be taking previous weekly high, which is like this zone. We're gonna like take this previous weekly high and then go lower, and probably will nuke to take like all this internal liquidity. Yeah, so I have to like look at the weekly open, but probably we will see slow pullback, pump, and then we will go lower. And here we will have break of market structure where you start like opening like short positions, like start pay attention and looking like for some zones here on this specific move to find entry for your short positions. That's it. Indexes, fuck, I have no idea what's going on with those indexes. Like I've been trading it like for a long time, but I've been shorting here, not gonna lie. It went pretty well. Again, I want to see some reaction out of this previous weekly high. I want to see it, because as you can see, we didn't do anything. We took this major, we just like keep going like higher, and we have like all-time high here, but on the futures it's all-time high already. Yeah, it's all-time high already on the futures, so more likely we will go down here, because on the futures we have all-time high. Maybe we have some manipulations to take previous weekly high, which is like this one. Actually, yeah, it's been taken, so this one. When we're breaking structure here, and then this is like where I start expecting something like this. Until then, until I see this move, I won't like open like any positions here, because if we're going higher like this, I will open my long position right here. So after higher high, after this like higher high, when we form like higher low, and when it started like breaking out of this high, I will open like even like market entry. But before that, no, I don't want to do it. Sorry, it's like already almost midnight for me. Yeah, so something like this. SPY, exactly the same picture, but we didn't take all-time high, but it can be S&P divergence when we have some asset, some instrument stronger than another one. So right, let me show you. So this is SPY, this is NASDAQ, right? Need to open weekly time frame. No, I need to futures, open futures. Okay. So on the futures, as you can see, This is called S&P divergence. So when so Nasdaq and SPY is correlated, and it's like Euro and DXY. S&P divergence like shows like you it's like little help. It's like RSI divergence, right? It shows you like when you will see bullish divergence, like bearish divergence on the RSI. It shows you that we probably will go like to opposite direction soon, right? So same here, and also it shows that some like instrument will be more volatile and will be weaker to another one. So in this case, S&P 500 will be like less, not so strong as the Nasdaq, because a lot of like strong shares like in Nasdaq, such as like AMD, Apple, Microsoft, etc. So it's very like strong, a very successful company with it's like strong instruments, and it's kind of hard to trade, and it's hard in Nasdaq to like go like straight down a few percent, only if we see like black swan event or something like this. And the last one is gold. My expectation for gold, I didn't change them. I didn't change them at all. I sent alert on the gold that we're gonna short it. I cut my trade because I didn't want to like hold like any position like over the weekend. I just left like 10%. It's 0.05% risk. It's completely okay if we're going like lower here. I will get like even like 0.5% or so. It's basically like risk free because my entry around here and my stop almost at the entry. As you can see, this is like my original trade and my stop already right here. So many people like think that we will go up higher. I don't think so, because I've been talking about it since August that we probably will have like one more deviation. I've been talking about it right here. I've been saying that we're gonna like test to do the deviation and then we'll pump. I literally like said it like many times, and this is what happened. So right now we had deviation from above, and my first target is equilibrium, like this specific line, and next target will be if we fail this, we're gonna like test of this deviation, which is like this area. I will mark it as rectangle. 1 second. This order block, this one. So we have firewire gap, we have order block here. It's not like common order block as you usually see. It combined like two candles, and this is like basically like perfect. So I expect something like this and then pump. And the thing is, I don't believe that we will go like straight up here. I don't believe it. And this is like more likely scenario in my opinion. But again, it's all about like risk management. I might be wrong, and it's okay if I'm wrong. Like again, I just like read chart and use like risk management, and this is what you have to do. You always count your risk. You don't need to like over risk sometimes. Yes, if you have if like stars like in a line and you have like you see like perfect setups that matched all your criteria, yeah, you can just increase your risk, but never cross the line. So never like risk like more than you okay to lose. For example, I have like a few 100K like on my trading account, right? It's my personal money. I have them on my interactive broker account, and I haven't been trading like stocks for the past like 3 weeks because I didn't see a single setup. But when I saw one, it was like on Microsoft. I went in like 1% risk when I usually risk in like 0.25, like 0.1%. It was like one setup here. Let me show you. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this one. It matched like all my criteria, like everything. Everything that it was like on 5-minute entry. Yeah, this one. So it's like it was like break market structure with fair value gap. I put like my limit order here and it pumped. That's all. Yeah, I wanted like 1%. I did like one trade in a month. As you can see, I can increase my risk because all criteria were matched. But in general, you don't need to do this. Don't forget that we have like 3 options. You can like open trade, so you can like long, you can short, or you can sit on your hands. And in like 2 options, like 2 out of 3, you will win all the time. Because not losing money is a way of making money. So something like this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But that's it for now. Don't have like any like information because, as I said, about the cryptocurrency, I'm expecting price. Hello, Hannah. I'm almost done already. Almost done already. So let me find. Maybe I will like look for some trade. Let me see. Oh, by the way, yeah. I've been looking like at the MD. Yeah, I looking at MD. So it's like Lunar asked me like to look at it. So we in the weekly fair value gap. Look at this weekly fair value gap, right? What else? What else we have here? Nothing. So this is like last zone. Like then we next target is all-time high, 164. Then we go on daily. Also, I always start with 3 months because I fucked up. Bitcoin fucked up me once with it. On daily. Okay, what we can see on daily? Nothing, right? We cannot see anything on a daily. Just literally nothing. Okay, let's go on like 4 hours. Can we see anything in 4 hours? Any like some reverse? No. Let's go 1 hour. Can we see anything here? Nope. It's still like uptrend, even like on 1 hour. But what we can see like on 50 minutes. So we tested like once. We can see that we have like some unusual like formation here. This is like one feel like first criteria of like of a range or like Wyckoff. Then we have like pump, and then we have dump, and then like randomly, without taking this low, we turn around. So form equal lows here. We form equal lows here, right? We randomly turn around, and then we like consolidating in the middle. That's all. We're in range. Right now we're in range. Next. Where I wanna like open my trade? Or will I open it up or down? So will I short it or I will long it? What do you think, guys? What do you think I should do here. Like 3 options. I have like 3 options. Or I wait, right? I will wait. What should I do here? You can type in the chat like what to do here. What to do here. And it's like real time, so it's not like I open some chart that I checked and I know result. I don't like this, by the way. Like I prefer to show like real results, because any fucking idiot can just open old chart and just like know the answer. Here I don't know the answer, but I can predict what is going to happen based on my knowledge that I have. So here, like the only one option that you can do is just like wait deviation here and here, and when we have deviation, go to like 1 minute time frame, have some break of markets, like market shift, right, and then open position forward like next opposite side of this range. So if you have some trade, this is what you're gonna do. Open some long position, 1% stop, 1 to 5, and if we're gonna pump, you will open short position, but you have to wait for reverse. That's it. You have like 2 trades. After like 2 deviations, so after we have like 1 deviation, right? After we have like 1 deviation here, and second here, like let's say here, right? Like opposite, yeah. So had deviation here, and so let's say we have something like this, right? In this case, you don't open like any positions, because this is it. So you're like in a small range, and usually you have like 2 deviations. Then it might go up, this one, this, it's not supply. I don't use supply. Okay, let's say this is supply, right? This is like your supply. The thing is, like, we're still in an uptrend, so it's uptrend. You don't have market shift. You don't have like anything that shows you that this is like downtrend. You basically still uptrend, and you opening for, if we're talking about this specific trade, we're talking about position that follows the trend. So you opening like long position, it's uptrend, and you opening position like by following this trend. What you're saying, like, if it's like, if this supply like doesn't work, so first of all, I won't be opening a position by doing like this limit order, right? I won't do it. So this is the first one. I won't open like this position. What I'm gonna do, I will go like on 5 minute or like 1 minute time frame, and I will be looking for reverse position. So when I said, as you can see, I have alerts here. When price like goes down, I won't be like entering right here. No. I will wait till price forms some kind of like structure on low time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Usually like 1 minute, 5 minutes. Even 3 minutes is fine. Like this, like double bottom, like three taps setup. And then break it. So break last lower high. I will be entering position here. It's gonna be still a bit risky. What you can do, just like wait for like one more test and entering right here. So it's like super safe. It's a guarantee entry. It's a guarantee entry. It's like with this like strategy, I have like 90-95% win rate. So I can guarantee like with second entry, with second test, it's like guarantee. You can just do back test like on anything, and it's a guarantee will work. Like 95% of the time. Yeah, of course. So like I never like if you trying to catch like when it's like going down like this, right? Let me show you. A lot of people been longing here. It's a gold. They've been longing here, here. Look at this, where it ended up. You want to wait for like low time frames, like for some market shift, like on low time frames, at least like one market shift. Ideally, you have to wait for the second test, because like structure goes like this. It goes like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yeah, it's like ideal situation. But if you look, let me see. I might show you. Sometimes you can like do like some manipulation like this, right? Like sometimes it happens. But still, this is range, by the way. This is range as well. This is range. We have manipulation, so as you can see, this one. I will just show you. This is range. This one. Deviation, and one more, and then pump. This is range. This is how usually they like reverse. This is like high or low on a daily time frame, by the way. This is basically how market like changes, specifically AMD changes its direction, and it's always like this. So, but who said you can play range, right? If you like open like this range, this specific one, you open long position, stop like 1%. Okay, here you could have entered right here on this high, this one. Stop under this low. Your target this high. 1 to 2 easily. Then you wanna open like short position. Here you didn't have entry, as you see. Here like, let's go like 1 minute. We'll check. Oh, did we have like entry on 1 minute? Did we have entry here? Probably. Let me see, 3 minutes. Yeah, like on 3 minutes you had it. This is one. Like you had deviation, right? You already understood this is range. You had deviation. This fair value gap. You set in limit order right here. stop this high, target over the side of the range. I do like usually like this 1 to 2 trade, and this is like one, yeah, it's like 1 day trade from AM session to like PM session. But you already could have closed it right here. I usually like have like 1 to 2 and just closing the trade. There you go. Then you open in like long position here, okay? It's like test. 1% stop. Because if you go like lower, it's like invalid, and you just like wait. Target next high. It's opening with a gap. You just like waiting. You put your stop like in break even. You just like waiting, and you see expansion. You move in your target will be this high. Like this liquidity equal highs here. I don't remember where exactly. Probably, yeah, we had a reaction here on equal highs. So next target is fair value gap, 1 to 20 trade. I didn't trade like I've been focusing on gold and euro, but it could have been like nice trade. And it's like break even, and you move in your stop every day. You just move in your stop, open and daily. Open and daily, and you move in your stop under this one, under this one, under this one. Here now you don't move because this candle usually it's not strong candle. You move in here, then you move in here, and then you target this weekly FFG. That's all. That's how you trade it. And like one more setup, it's like on Roku. There you go. I'm pretty sure we'll go over here, but it's not the best setup. But I like MD more. We have like few trades here. Pretty much that's it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any more questions, feel free to message in the Discord. I will be here for next at least like 1 hour. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye.